Hello and welcome to PhantomBuster. My name is Alex. I'm part of the team here and I'm going to walk you through how to generate your first leads with PhantomBuster. PhantomBuster is here to help you automate your lead generation using what we call phantoms, which are automations that perform tasks on the networks where your leads are, such as LinkedIn, which is the example that we're going to use in this video. There are a variety of ways which you can generate your leads from LinkedIn, whether that's you already have a list of contacts that you would like to import by finding their LinkedIn profile URLs so that you can later enrich their profiles or get in touch with them. Or you can find your leads directly from LinkedIn from a variety of sources, whether it's your company page followers, it's your LinkedIn event guests, or directly from the results of a search that you've curated, which is the example that we're going to use. So just click on Use this Phantom to get started. The first step is to connect your LinkedIn account using our browser extension. It's a very easy two-click installation. And once it's done, go back to your PhantomBuster and refresh the page. Then enter the setup again. You'll see that your LinkedIn account is automatically connected to your Phantom. Click Next. And here's where you tell the Phantom which search results you would like it to export. So you're going to do that by going to LinkedIn and curating your own search using as many filters as you like. The more specific, the better. You'll see here I'm using my PhantomBuster colleagues as an example. You can then copy the URL from the search bar and take it back to your Phantom setup and paste it here. And finally, you're just going to give your search a name. So I'm going to say PhantomBuster leads. Then all you need to do is launch the Phantom. And once you've launched the Phantom, it will get to work. And something that you need to remember is that our Phantoms run from the cloud, which means that even if you close your browser, you turn off your computer, they will still be running in the background. And in just a few seconds, you should see the leads start to come through in your lead list that you've created, as you can see now. And if you watch the counter, those leads are going to keep rolling in as the Phantom is running and extracting those results from your search. All of the leads that you extract from LinkedIn are going to end up here in your LinkedIn leads page, where you can perform a variety of actions on them. You can create your own custom lists, as we have here, ready created for us by the Phantom, using different filters. You can also edit different lead information and even exclude a lead from a list if you don't want to include them. And of course, the next steps, you can enrich your different leads with more profile information, as well as contact information, including emails, or you can engage with your list by maybe sending them a LinkedIn connection request or a LinkedIn message. That part's up to you. But for now, congratulations, you've made it through your first Phantom launch. Enjoy generating your leads with PhantomBuster.